So I went and did something different. I went and I sat at the salon for 10 hours and I got my hair braided. I hope you guys like it. I know I said I would never sit down to do this, but here we are. Braids on your girl. Mermaid braids to be exact. Just kidding. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The name is Melissa M, and today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this wig. Yes, it's a wig and it's from Mybraidedwig.com. They sent me this reddish brown mermaid boho style wig that we went ahead and installed, and my favorite part about it is that it's a 360 wig, so we can style it anyhow we like. I'm gonna have so much fun styling this one, but let me show you how I got it done. So this is the package that came from my braided wig, right? It's a satin bag that came with an HD wig cap. They also put in a black satin bonnet for me, and you guys know I love me a good bonnet. This is what the hair looks like. It came like this, so no bleaching of knots, nothing. And I went with this cool auburn like color. It has 3 combs, it has an adjustable strap, and I didn't even have my hair braided. I just put my hair in these 2 like ponytail things because I'm fresh from a relaxer, and I did my makeup because obviously I like to do my makeup before the installs for some odd reason. I put the wig on and this is what it looks like. So already you can see that lace is blending in so good, like, and the color on my skin, I'm kind of liking this a little bit too much, and I haven't even started with the install. So I went ahead and I placed the wig on my head just to get like a proper fitting and stuff, you know. And then I started by cutting off the ear tabs just to make sure that the wig will sit nicely by my ears. I went and cut those ear tabs nice and quick. The lace is quite soft. I was worried that the lace was going to be like hard and scratchy, but it's not. And you can see even with the lace over my face, like, it's my skin tone. It's going to blend very nicely. I went ahead and I cut the lace right in the middle of my forehead. This makes it easier to cut lace, especially if you're new to installing wigs and stuff. If you cut it like that, and then I went and took, these are material cutting scissors. They're shaped in a zigzag pattern, so cutting in zigzag just makes the lace blend in so much better. I bought this at the material shop. They also have them at P&A if you'd like a pair of these, but they work wonders for cutting the lace on my wigs. That's what the lace looks like cut, guys. I haven't even glued this thing down. I don't think I'm gonna glue it down anyway. Probably gonna spritz some holding spray and just, you know, I went ahead with a contour powder just to make that lace blend in even more seamlessly, and then I went in with like a holding spray just to tack it down so it doesn't lift and stuffs. And that's all I really had to do. Literally, this wig had me ready and braided up in minutes. I put my hairdryer on cold air and I went ahead and blowed the fixing spray with my hairdryer on cold air, and then I applied this satin tie just to, you know, secure the wig. Now I left it on for a bit, and this is what the wig looks like on, right? I'm just playing around with it. Wanted the parting to be like straight, and I left the satin tie on for about 10 minutes, and in the meantime I just took some conditioner and I went ahead and spread it down on the hair. Let me give you the details of this hair. This is a 36-inch full HD lace boho knotless braided wig. It is in the color 1B/30, so it's like a brownish red color, and I'm going to leave all these details for you in the description box down below. I'm going to give you a coupon code for 30% off, so use PM30 for 30% off. This is what the wig looks like. Minimal effort. I went and tried to style it up a bit. I wanted to see what it was going to look like with this hair tied up, so I just left a braid in the front on each side, and then I pulled the hair back, and already it is looking so cute. Now you guys know I don't braid my hair like a lot. I barely have, probably twice in my life, but this is so convenient because, can you say vacation? Like, can you imagine me on a sandy beach with this wig on? It practically looks like it's growing from my scalp, and I love that for me. I mean, look at the curls also. Now please know this wig is synthetic, but with a bit of conditioner and stuff, like, it softened the wig so nicely, and I'm super duper impressed with the texture, the color, the way the braids just sit on the hair. This wig had a lot of people confused, including myself. Like, really, it's not heavy, it's very easy to wash and care for, and yeah, I would highly recommend, if you're looking for a braided wig, this one would be the one for you. Okay? Yes, ma'am. So if you are interested in purchasing this wig for yourself, then go ahead and click in the description box. I've left you direct links, coupon codes and everything. But this wig, baby, pick me up and put me on a plane and put me on a beach somewhere, because what do you mean? I'm also kind of happy that I didn't go for black. Something just said this year, let's be different, and that's why we didn't do black, but it looks so cute. I didn't like the baby hairs. You guys know I'm not a baby hair person. I'm not good at molding baby hairs either, so I just went ahead and chopped them off. I left the ones on the sides just in case one day I might want to style it up, because I can style it up like I showed you guys. If you like this video, please leave me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to comment, like and share this video. I will see you in the next one.